we are going to look at the quotations. So print, if you want to display, okay, let's say with the quotation marks I, okay, in quotes, okay, because this is surrounded by a single quotation, and then this will be printed as it is, okay, display high in quotes. But if you do similar, okay, here, but if you use single quotation rather than double quotation, okay, now you can see this is the highlight is different. It look like a black. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. So you cannot use a single quotation to quote single quotation. So this case you can change to be double quotation if you want. Okay, that will solve the problem. That one can be done. Okay, so make sure you don't use single quotation with the single or single, double or double quotations, and then single quote. There's another way. Let me copy, paste it. So if you want to print, okay, then you can avoid with single. Okay, single. You can use a backslash. Okay, you can escape. Let's see. Say display high in quote, exactly same output. Okay, so you can use a backslash to escape the single quotes. That's the one way. But if you print, okay, display name, let's say Brian. So as you can see, there's the problem with the single quotes. So if you run it, say on terminate the string literals. So this case, you may need to escape it. Okay, display. Okay. Now we print single quotes without problem. Okay, make sure you know how to use the backslash. There's another example where you have a print. You can use multiple quotes. Okay, normally we use a single or double. Sometimes we can use a triple. Okay, okay, like a display. Okay, with the high and by in quotes. Because as you can see, you can use single to enclose double quotation, or you can use double quotes to include single. What about we have a both, like here? Then we can use a triple quotes, okay? 3 quotation marks. Okay, display high and by in quotes. Also, these triple quotes may work for others as well. For example, let me try print. I will print multiple lines, okay, with the triple quote. This is triple quotes, and I will hit the enter key, okay, string that spans 2 lines, okay, and triple quotes. Then I will close it. Okay, say this is a triple quote string that spans 2 lines, okay. Of course, you can put the space, okay, let's see. Space, we span to 3 lines. So if you have a multiple lines or one paragraph here, or multiple lines of message you want to print with the print functions, you may consider using triple quotes. Okay, normally it is not available in other language. Only Python has this unusual quotes. Okay, there are triple quotes. That's it for the quotes. Okay, so single quotation to enclose the double quotation to enclose the single quotes. If you want to include that quotes in your output, you use a backslash, okay, same as here. Or if you have a multiple lines of quotes, you may use a triple quotes, include double or single quotation together. Okay, you may need to use triple quotes. That's it. Thank you.